Hi, this is Ali from Sentinel HASP Technical Support. In this session, I'm going to talk about how to install our runtime or the driver, which allows using the hardware key or the software key. So the simplest way is just to use. I'm here in C Profile Sentinel HASP distribute runtime environment, and in the CMD install we have hastinst.exe, which may be used within a CMD line. So in order to use it, we can double click on it and see as well what are the optional parameters that can be used in order to install or uninstall it. This hastinst also is a very useful tool for troubleshooting because it allows you more options to be done. So this is one option. The second one is to go and use a GUI based installation. Perhaps this is more easy or maybe intuitive for many of the end users to use because it has some kind of GUI which allows you to see what is going on and how it is progressed. But on the other hand, it's less convenient because here you cannot use it for troubleshooting, or maybe it's less convenient for using for troubleshooting. Now let's see other options. So we are going to another place. We are going to API and runtime install, and over here we see two further options. One is to use hasts MSM. MSM goes for merge module. This is a merge module which one can use inside Wise installations or other tools for installations, other installers, and this merge module is just to use or to install or to uninstall. There are no other optionals to use it, and you cannot define whether you would like to install it in a way in one parameter or another parameter. You just have two basic options just to install or uninstall. And the other one is under C, and this is the hasts Windows DLL, which is a matter of fact an API in order to install the runtime. So one can use this API in order to monitor what is the installed runtime on this machine, whether I would like to install or not, or what are the messages that I would like to display during the installation, etc. Obviously, for this runtime installation, we also have under the samples runtime install, we have some kind of demonstration which allows me to see how to work with this. The API is a C++ one, and one can use it quite easily. Now these are the main ways of how to install the runtime. If talking about installing the runtime as well as the SL key, so obviously we have in the Business Studio the RT installer. RT stands for Runtime Environment, and over here I'm able to include two things in one package. One thing is the driver, the runtime, and the other one is the SL key that I would like, the provisional one that I would like to choose. Now usually I can have this RT installer as an exe, as an application, and then one can run it normally with the parameter -i in order to install, or I can also use it as a DLL, and so this DLL can be used from my application or another application to install both the runtime as well as the SL key. Thank you for watching.